We think it's safe enough to say that you all are quite aware of Tesla's Gigafactory, which also happens to be one of the largest factories in the world. For those of you who don't know much about this factory, well, it's owned and operated by Tesla to manufacture battery packs for the electric vehicles of the company. Speaking of this Gigafactory, there has been speculation of a new project being undertaken by the company. Although Elon hasn't openly spoken about it, his fans and other competitors of his are wondering what this genius entrepreneur is up to next. So let us take a quick peek into what we know about this new project by Tesla, which is being called the Bobcat Project. Did Tesla buy a plot of land? Whenever Tesla buys land, they more often than not end up building a factory on it. If not a factory, they definitely put the space to good use such that it benefits the company. This recent purchase by Tesla was a plot of land located on the east side of the famous Gigafactory. The Gigafactory is quite a big project that has everyone's eyes on it. There have been documents from Austin, Texas public database to prove that this purchase is not just a rumor or speculation, but an actual deal that took place. This means that something amazing is definitely about to go down on this land. The Gigafactory itself is still under construction, which has left many to wonder what the reason behind this extra purchase of land may be linked to. Size of this land. When Elon Musk buys land, may it be for the purpose of his multiple companies or a place to reside, he does not go small scale. In fact, grandeur should be his middle name. The same can be said about this extra plot he purchased. We say this not only due to its prime location, but also due to its commendable size. According to the previously mentioned documents, this piece of land that the company purchased is 150.21 acres in size. Furthermore, it's said to measure 6,553,147.6 square feet. With this amount of space, a lot can be done, and Elon really does know how to make use of land quite effectively and efficiently. The Gigafactory is a great example to back this fact up. Who purchased this land? Have you heard of the Colorado River Project? Yes, we're talking about the subsidiary of Tesla, which also happens to be located in Texas. Although many don't speak about the Colorado River Project, it has played a major role in securing land for both the Giga Texas facility as well as Tesla's new project. With both these pieces of land being close to each other, it would have been quite easy to purchase both the lands under the same subsidiary rather than separate ones. But a big question on everyone's mind is, what is this new piece of land going to be used for now? What we know about Bobcat Project. Elon is quite secretive when it comes to Tesla's projects. He doesn't release any information about their undertakings until it's the right time. Even when he comes out clean to the public, he does it in the most marvelous way possible. Coming to the topic of the location of this land, the plot is located east of the Gigafactory. This indicates that the land is in close proximity to a major section of the Gigafactory, their main unit for vehicle production operations. The location of this land has raised further questions after many have come to know what the land may be connected to. As far as documentation and other legal permissions are considered, these procedures are currently being undertaken. According to the filings, Tesla has submitted quite a few important documents, including an environmental review and site plans to the respective departments, and is waiting for approval. Tesla has been quite about this purchase and the plans they wish to undertake on this land. But it's quite natural for people to spread rumors and speculate on what may be going on, especially when it has to do with something as big as Tesla and its famous Gigafactory. Speculations on Bobcat Project. Putting all the tidbits of information together, many have come up with quite a number of logical explanations on what could be going on. So far, the whispers that have been taking their rounds amongst the Tesla community point towards there being a battery cell production facility on this recently purchased land. This makes a lot of sense as Tesla is in dire need of cells in-house, specifically their 4680 cells. These cells are being manufactured in Northern California at Tesla's Cato Road facility. The 4680 cells were introduced not so long ago at Tesla's Battery Day event. Speaking of battery-related projects, Tesla has had quite a few endeavors in that field in the past. With that being said, the names of the battery-related projects have been quite unique. In fact, these codenames have been connected to them having names of cats. Let's take a quick example for further articulation. Do you remember Project Tiger? For those of you who don't, it was the code name used for the Gigafactory located in Sparks, Nevada. Yes, it has the name of a cat involved. In fact, one of the members of the big cat family. Could that be a euphemism for the size of the Gigafactory? This Tesla Gigafactory is known to produce electric motors as well as battery packs for the Tesla Model 3 vehicles. This factory is also known to produce power pack energy products and the famous Powerwall battery network. Why Tesla their project names related to cat names? And when it comes to electric vehicles, the main part of the car that helps power up the automobile to move is the electric battery used. The main constituent of these batteries is lithium. This is why these batteries are commonly known as lithium-ion battery cells. Lithium-ion battery cells are commonly abbreviated and known as Li-ion. Li-ion, when pronounced together, culminates to sound like the term lion. Lion, being a part of the cat family, may have been a major inspiration for why Tesla codenamed their previous project as Project Tiger. Coming back to the current topic of discussion, the Bobcat Project may also have been named due to a similar reason. What is currently happening on this piece of bought land? Drone footage of the Gigafactory as well as this recently purchased land shows that construction work is underway. Land preparation of this plot has already been done, with a cover prepared so as to commence the construction procedures. A small part of this land still has a pond existing in it. It's quite difficult to figure out what exactly is being constructed due to the little amount of change that has been seen so far. Regular surveillance of this area is being captured by drones. It's just a matter of time before further clarity on what this land will encompass is revealed. Many speculations from individuals involve talks of this land being used as a pathway or a road instead of a building. This may seem like a more logical assumption at this point in time. Only time will tell the truth behind the plot of land is being used for. Tesla is known to be a game changer in whatever technology or products they produce. Apart from coming out with a great array of automobiles and charging services, they're also known to house one of the biggest factories the world has. The recent land purchase that Tesla made under the name of a subsidiary company of theirs has raised eyebrows amongst the Tesla community, with a wide range of speculations arising. Rumor has it that the Bobcat Project is what is expected to be undertaken on that plot of land. Although the details of the project haven't been stated by Elon or any of his representatives from Tesla, after accumulating pieces of evidence, people have been saying that a battery cell production facility is the major goal of this project.